PowerTriggerTrade. All right, guys, it's time for another to show you why I'm the big picture expert. So here it is on May the 30th. I gave a heads up. It's time for a new SPY plan for higher prices on confirmation. Let's go into the video. I want to show you this. I mean, this is nothing. Okay, in terms of the gains that we made in the SPY, nothing compared to Amazon, Google L, Tesla, ANET, Twitter. But it doesn't matter. It's still part of the big picture, and I have a great point. I want to make a great point. Let's go inside this video here together, people. Let's go. All right, people, so here we are inside the video. So let me talk about a few things here, okay? Here at the time I talked about it, by the way, we confirmed, I'll show you the confirmation date, and we actually went in with the 272 calls, okay? But at the time, the 273 calls were $230, okay? You can see there's a lot of, this is, okay. I also gave the heads up. I was giving a heads up that the SPY is set up to test 276 to 277. Well, again, PowerTriggerTrade, the big picture expert, just correct again. Not like the stock clown wrong since SPY 225 and a lot of stock clowns out there. Okay, there's no one as okay. What do you think? Little penny stock traders can see big direction in markets, catch gains in Amazon? Come on, people, wake up and smell the coffee. It's big picture thinking. You gotta have big picture skills. I demonstrate this over and over and over again, and I do this for a reason, to cement in your head why you want big picture skills on your side. The big picture expert. Anyways, in this video I said I will explain the confirmation side of PowerGroupTrades. So let's go there and let's go see what I said. But I gave the heads up, and anybody who wanted to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, you have me on your side. You want the big picture expert on your side. All right, let me show you something. Come on, let's go together. All right, people. So here we are inside of PowerGroupTrades. So this is the plan that I posted on May the 30th. So we're going to click into this chart together. And I said SPY needs to break over 273.50 to confirm. Well, people, it never did, right? All right, that's okay. So we close it. See that? That was the plan, right? And these were now look what happened. Now I want to show you. So okay, so now what we're going to do is go to my May 31st. I had to make an update. It says SPY update plan. Because of this pullback, better entry now. So let's go in here and take a look. Okay, let's take a look here. Come on. All right, now I got to move up here. So what we chose instead, Jesus, Murphy, man. All right, so here we are on May the 31st, and because the SPY didn't confirm the May 30th plan, okay, I made an update intraday. SPY update plan. Because of this pullback, better entry now. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. And right inside here, let's take a look together. So here I am. I opened it up. And I said SPY update. We can go into the June 15 272 calls now on a break over 272.5. So you can see we went into now these 272 calls. They cost about $185 per option. Of course, we had to pay more on confirmation because you see where we were. We were at 270.71 over here, and I kind of drew this wedge pattern over here to signify people that something's good coming. All right, so you can see here chart based on May 31st at 2:50 p.m. So this was an update intraday, almost about an hour before market close, and of course this confirmed the next day, right? So let's take a look at the confirmation that I did post inside of PowerGroupTrades. Of course, this is when you have the big picture expert on your side. I've been talking about. I'm going to give you some more important points about the SPY. Let's take a look. Let's take a look together, people. Let's take a look. Here we are, people. June the 1st, SPY confirming with the June 15 272 calls at 260. As you can see, we had to pay more, right? We had to pay about 70-80 cents more on the options, but we still got a good deal. Considering we still were able to make 100% gains in about 5 days. And this is big picture thinking. You can't do this being a little pop trader, little scalp trader. You can't do this kind of stuff. You have to have big picture skills. You want to have, you have to understand about targets. You need to have skills like the big picture expert. Basically, people. All right, people, so let's take a look at the SPY here. 277.43, smashing one of my targets. Of course, who's correct again? Not the stock clown, wrong since SPY 225. Yours truly, the big picture expert. Again, what is new, people? What is new? Let's take a look at, and this is when people are bearish and all that stuff, you know, and the market was very difficult. But PowerTriggerTrade, I triumph all the time. I am simply the best. Just decimating the clowns out there. Here's the June 15, okay? Let's take a look at the calls together, people. All right, so let's take a look at the 272 calls. So here they are, people. $600, okay? Practically about 150% gains. Yeah, you following you following my drift, people? See? And what else did I do, people? Let's take a look at the charts here for a second. So anyways, take a look at here. Here's the June the 6th, right? Here's the option prices. You can see for yourself, right? Who's the big picture expert? Yours truly, PowerTriggerTrade. Time to get inside of PowerGroupTrades. Study my YouTube channel. Study my YouTube channel. Wake up and smell the coffee. Wake up. All right. Welcome to PowerTriggerTrades. Confirmation is key. You know, people, right here in my created playlist, you want to study what I said about the SPY back in April when people were bearish. I made a very powerful video explaining the big picture of the SPY. Listen, most traders have very little skill compared to yours truly. Okay, big picture skills is far beyond these little pop traders' skills. Far beyond, because they cannot call market direction. See, if you got big investors and you're trying to tell them to hold stocks, you can't be a little pop trader minded. They go in and out on a 10-cent blip. You want big picture skills on your side. Wake up. That's why I made this YouTube channel for you to study the power. Study this created playlist. Become a follower. Study my YouTube channel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe here manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right at the end of the video. Listen, people, you want to study what I said about the SPY here. SPY to 300 before the facts. Okay, people? Now, you want more updates. Doesn't mean the SPY we are cleared to go to 300 right now, but nothing has changed in the big picture of things for higher markets. We've got Amazon breaking out to new highs, people. See, I said this all where there was massive fear. Peter Brandt spread negative. Listen, he did not help or cannot see like yours truly. These so-called old world experts, I call them old world thinking, they just talk this, that, but they can't project big picture skills. Anyways, people, I have investors that I told them we must hold big picture. And now they see why I'm the big picture expert, and they're happy to send me the dollar bills. All right, people. So let's see what I say. PowerTriggerTrade Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on PowerTriggerTrades. You can also find my website link, and don't forget there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like